Are they fighting again? Milo, look where you're going! Wow, that was close! You think you're going to fall off? No! Hey, Maverick, Milo and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help? They were arguing and fell off the bridge.
Look.
We need to find them quickly. Guys, you're okay! But you're stuck, right? You'd better find a way to move. These waters are dangerous. You don't want to float into the sea. Mitch, you made a sail! You have a real boat now! You've got some speed going now! Guys, you're heading towards a waterfall! Mia, you should stop! I'm not surprised you're dizzy. What happened? Oh, an emergency landing went wrong, eh? Mia, Milo, and Mitch are in big trouble. Can you help? Milo and Mitch fell off the bridge. We need to hurry. That was genius! Where will you land? Now you just need to wait for rescue. Maverick, they already fell. You'd better hurry. Oh, Mia is rescuing them? You have an important job too. Still fighting, guys. You need to make up. Mia is here to rescue you anyway. you, Mia.
Oh, berapa, Bob? Enggak?
Guys, don't you think you should stop fighting? Remember what happened? Take care, guys. Hey, kids! It is really hot today! Wow! What are you doing in such a hurry? Oh, I see. You're racing. Watch out! Oh no! Let me call Maverick. Maverick! Milo and Mitch are in a bad situation. Max, Milo and Mitch were racing when they rushed into a dune. The rocks have made them unable to move. Great idea! We need Mike. But where is he? Let's go there then. Look! On the bridge, Maverick! Hey, Mike! Maverick needs your help to... Oh! Look down, Maverick! Mike is repairing the broken planks! Oh, it seems really difficult to work in that heat. Of course! Maverick, can you help Mike fixing those planks? Oh, great! Kids, Maverick needs your help to get his glue spray. To help Maverick get his glue spray, say, glue spray. 1, 2, 3, glue spray. Really cool. Now, there are 3 planks missing to fully complete the bridge. Can you tell where this plank goes? Well done! Now, what about this plank? Yes! So this plank goes... Great job, kids! Well done, Maverick! Well done, Mike! You did it, guys! Now let's go to Milo and Mitch. Them and Max were racing on the beach when Milo and Mitch rushed into a dune. You're right, Maverick. Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed to see how Miranda is. To help him use his booster speed, shout, booster speed! 1, 2, 3! Booster speed! Maverick's here, guys! That's nice of you, Max, cooling Milo and Mitch off. Milo, Mitch, Mike is on his way. You really should wait for him to be here. They are stuck under this pile of rocks. Can you please help them? Thanks, Mike. Oh, you got something in mind, Maverick? Well done, guys. Welcome back, guys. You're all going to Maverick's to drink fruit juice? Sounds really cool. What a day. Bye, kids. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mo. Whoa, that's going to be a huge snowman. Good job, Mo. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Run! Look out! Mo! Yikes! Mo is frozen solid! What do we do? Good thinking. Maverick will save him. Maverick, come quick! There's an emergency! Come on! Mo slipped and fell into the icy river. What should we do? Good idea. I hope they'll help.
Hey.
Milo and Mitch, we need help fast! Do you have a wrecking ball? Great, no time to lose. Follow Maverick! Look, Mike, Maverick is here and he brought help. Mike's right. We need to get Mo out of the water. Can you pick him up? Use your crane. That's it. You're doing it. Uh-oh. The current is pulling him away. Pull! Awesome work, you guys! You did it! Yikes! He's frozen solid! Are you okay, Mo? Cold, eh? I bet! You're right, Maverick. Miranda will be able to help. Hang on. Miranda, we have a patient who needs care. Do you have any hot water bottles? Great! Let's go!
Yo!
Hey!
Oh!
Ha!
Oh! Oh!
Ha! Oh!
The finished snowman looks great! It was nice of you to pitch in and help finish it, Milo and Mitch. I'm so glad Miranda's hot water bottles and cocoa warmed you up, Mo.
Ha ha! Yeah! Oh!
Nice teamwork today, everyone. Enjoy the snow. See you next time, friends.
Yeah!
Hey, kids. The forest is so peaceful, isn't it? Wow, you're driving really fast, Miranda. Oh, you're practicing your zigzag skills. It seems fun. Do you have to... Miranda? Oh, no! I'll call Maverick right now. Maverick, quick! Miranda is about to be swept by the current. Miranda was practicing zigzagging when the wooden bridge broke beneath her. Great idea! We need Milo and Mitch. But where are they? Let's go there then. Where are they? Look up here! Hey guys, what are you... Oh, you're lost, right? Maverick, Milo and Mitch are lost. You'll have to go find them. But don't get lost. Oh, that's your thinking face. And that is your idea face. Oh, great! You want to use one of your gadgets? Kids, you have to help Maverick to get his gadget. Say, grapple. 1, 2, 3. Grapple! Well done. Let's find Milo and Mitch. Which path leads to Milo and Mitch? Is it the blue path? You're right. It is not the blue path. So which one is the correct path? The red path. Yes! You're right. Come on, Maverick.
Hey! Hey!
Great job, Maverick.
Hey!
Oh, I see. You attached your grapple to the entrance so you won't get lost. That's brilliant, Maverick.
Hey!
You did it, guys. Now let's go to Miranda. She was driving into the forest when the wooden bridge collapsed. You're right, Maverick. Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed to see how Miranda is. To help him use his booster speed, shout, "Booster speed!" 1, 2, 3. Booster speed! Where's Miranda? Here she is! Miranda! You can do it, Miranda! Come on! Yes! Mitch, Milo, over here! Can you use your hook? Throw it further, guys! Miranda can't grab it! Come on! You can do it, Miranda! Oh no! The current is so strong! One more time! You're almost touching it! Yes! Courage, guys! You did it! Are you okay, Miranda? Oh! Apparently you are more than fine then. Thank you guys for saving Miranda. Bye-bye, monster trucks.